In the market for a 2003 Holden Commodore. This is the vehicle you've been looking for, with a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, an alarm system, side airbag, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, power windows, a CD stacker, ventilated disc brakes. The premium wheels add a stylish touch. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.